Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of getting insurance on Pandabuy. So if you want to protect your purchases, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's dive right in. To get started, follow the simple steps. Step 1. Scroll down to the Pandabuy website until you find the insurance and compensation section. Go ahead and click on it to move forward. Step 2. If the page is empty, don't worry, just type insurance in the search bar. This will bring up the insurance purchase instruction for you. Step 3. For more detailed information about shipping routes, supported countries, and insurance coverage, click the shipping fee estimation link. Step 4. Now log into your Pandabuy account to access the estimation tool. You'll need to enter your destination, the weight and dimensions of your package, the warehouse info, and any mail restrictions you have. Once you have filled that in, click Inquire to view your insurance cost. Step 5. Take a moment to revise the details carefully. Confirm that insurance in scope meets your need. It covers the most issues, including package seizure. But keep in mind that it does not cover war-related risks. And that's it. Now you are all set to get insurance on Pandabuy and ensure your purchases are protected. Thanks for watching.